Mark had negative balance $51 in his checking account before depositing $51. What is the new balance of Mark's checking account? So first let's add these two numbers. We have negative balance, this is $51. So let's forget about the dollar sign. We have just integers, negative integers, 51. It was on his checking account. Then he deposited $51. So we can add to this balance 51. So this is equal negative 51 plus 51. First, we have addition of two integers with different signs. Both are the same, 51 and 51. The numbers are the same, 51 and 51. So first, we can rewrite this starting from the positive number. So we have 51 minus 51. 51 minus 51 is 0. So the new balance of Mark's checking account will be $0.